Well, we had a chance to visit with a guy that we had a chance to talk to a couple times last year. Not your typical rookie, very well spoken. Maybe it's because he went to Rice and is highly educated, or he's Canadian. I don't know what it is. But Luke Wilson's a guy who's impossible not to like.
Right.
And we had a chance to visit with him, and actually in the midst of finding out what a fun offseason he has had too, you get to thinking about 20 catches last year, a guy that seemingly they got involved early in the offense in a lot of games. This is one of those guys who can step up and be a much bigger factor this year.
Yeah, he was a factor early in every game, it felt like. I know that's exaggerating, but it felt like they went to him within the first series of every game, and he'd have a big play, and it just, you sort of wondered where he went the rest of the game. So I don't know what that was, if that was just their game plan and as something to loosen up the defense, but he is a guy that's got the ability. He looked like a big wide receiver last year, and he talked about putting on extra weight over the offseason, which you'd think would help him in his blocking, which is key for that position for this team, and it's what Zach Miller does extremely well. So if he's going to improve his game, you're going to look at blocking. Said he got a little bit bigger, and just the idea of what he's capable of doing. You saw glimpses of it through the last season, and he's got a season under his belt unlike any other. He wins a Super Bowl.
As a rookie.
As a rookie, he comes back, and listen, 20 catches, that's 9 more than he had in his final year of college.
Right.
We all talked about, who's this guy? 11 catches? He was a backup? What's going on? So he had a much bigger impact, even though it was 20 catches. They all felt big.
Really was the only guy in the rookie class who had an impact.
Right.
A lot of guys got hurt, a couple other guys that, now Michael Bowie would be an exception, of course. They took 7th and wound up playing some on the offensive line, but Wilson was the one guy from the draft who was there every single game, who was a part of what they were doing. And as much as they talk about moving forward with some other guys that didn't play much last year, you got to remember guys like him who did play last year, but will probably play a lot more this year. Guys who certainly look like they're on the way up, and boy did he last year. He looked like he could be a real valuable weapon for these guys.
Yeah, where he was really good as far as catching my eye is run after the catch. He's a guy that he'd catch that ball. He's got really good speed, and he was able to make some things happen after he caught the ball, and it just gets you that much more excited to see what he's going to be capable of as they make him a bigger part of the offense. I love the presence of him out there. I hope they turn him into an even bigger weapon that he seems to be capable of being.
Definitely check out the podcast too, because he is a fun guy to talk to, and his prom story, and we'll just leave it at that, his prom story is worth going to the podcast page and listening, and then weigh in on it too, because he's got a decision to make.
Yeah, let's hope he makes the right one though. A very obvious right one.
Definitely.